Good day guys, today I'll be showing you my Pink Lady apple tree from seed. Just a regular apple from the grocery store, from Woods I think, or somewhere else, I forgot. And yeah, I'll show you the apple tree. That's the tree. And then that's the leaves. Yep. There's a flower somewhere here. Where is it? There it is, there it is. There's a flower here, guys. Very nice. So it should probably give fruit apples this year. I don't know. Yep. Thank you so much you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and comment, and then I'll see you when it's ripe. Bye bye.